Hi guys, we're looking at graphing from slope-intercept form. All right, so we're asked to graph y equals negative 3 halves x minus 3. Slope-intercept form. So remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b. And you guys already know we're going to be color coding. So the first step whenever we're given an equation in slope-intercept form, what we're going to be doing for our class is we're going to be color coding, labeling, identifying what are they giving us. So slope, that's the number, the coefficient in front of x. That's going to be that negative 3 halves. That's our m. And then our b is just the plain old constant that's just kind of floating in the background, which is negative 3. Remember, B for bananas are yellow. B-A-N-A-N-A-S are yellow. Bananas are yellow. How is that relevant to us? How does that help us? Because remember, all along the y-axis, we would highlight because these are all of the possible options for y-intercept, right? So we're looking at the y-axis and we're trying to see, remember, this is like our freebie point for the y-intercept. We're scanning, looking for negative 3. We see it down here. Bam, negative 3. We're already halfway done. Let me go ahead and clear that out so we can kind of see what we're working with here. All right, so we've got the first step done. Now, slope. How do we use this to get to the next point? Remember, slope is talking about like the change in our graph, rate of change. So this is, remember, rise over run. Rise over run. So we're just going to do some bunny hops. Because there's a negative, it doesn't matter which one you want to set as the negative and which one the positive, as long as they're both not negative, right? Because a negative divided by a negative is positive, and that's not what we're given. We're given a negative coefficient, all right? So to make our lives easier, we're just going to do the negative, get it done out of the way. So from here, we're going to go down, won't let me, down 1, 2, 3. So that's down 3 over, that's going over 1 and 2. Let's just double check. So from here, negative 3, down 3, 1, 2, 3, over positive direction, positive x running 2, 1, 2, right? Likewise, I mentioned if we went backwards, same thing. So let's imagine we want to rise and then go in the negative direction for x. So we would go up 1, 2, 3, and backwards 2, 1, 2, bam, right? Same line. We could keep going to get all the points, but that would take too long. They didn't ask us for that. We just wanted the graph. Check. Great. Right. So while you're working this out, remember if you're stuck or like really confused, reference your Engagely notes too. Go back over our notes from class. Use that as a template. You can rewatch this video. If you have any other questions, reach out, let me know. All right, good luck. Bye.